Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular models, the Free Village Countertop Ice Maker and the Aeitto Ice Maker's Countertop. Both machines promise quick ice production and convenience, but they differ significantly in features and price. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one comes out on top in our comparison. When it comes to price, the Free Village Countertop Ice Maker is a budget-friendly option at just $99, making it accessible for many users. In contrast, the Aeitto Ice Maker's Countertop comes with a premium price tag of $199, which may deter budget-conscious buyers. However, the features offered by the Aeitto might justify the higher cost for some. In terms of ice size options, the Free Village model only produces one size of bullet ice, which may limit its versatility. On the other hand, the Aeitto ice makers offer two sizes of bullet ice, allowing users to choose between small and large cubes, catering to different drink preferences. This added flexibility can be a significant advantage for those who enjoy a variety of beverages. Energy efficiency is another important factor to consider. The Free Village Countertop Ice Maker consumes 132 watts, while the Aeitto model operates at a lower 105 watts. This makes the Aeitto not only more energy efficient, but also a better choice for those looking to minimize their electricity usage while still enjoying quick ice production. In conclusion, both the Free Village and Aeitto countertop ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Free Village is ideal for budget-conscious users who need a reliable ice maker, while the Aeitto offers premium features for those willing to invest more. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.